Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and I just got off work. But we're gonna do a very quick bake with me this week. I found a recipe in a book I was reading, and it's for peanut butter cookies. It's supposed to be healthier, and it's literally 3 ingredients. So I thought we would try this together and see how it turns out. But it's literally peanut butter, 1 cup, 1 cup of coconut sugar, and 1 egg. And then optional was to put like coarse sea salt on top of it after you press them out. So we're gonna give it a whirl and see how it works. Seeing how it's only 3 ingredients, I'm just gonna take you along while I do it, and we'll see you in the end. Oh, and you have to put it in the oven for, I think it was 8 minutes at 350. So the oven's already preheating before we start this. But let's measure out some ingredients and get it prepared. So this is how they turned out. I will say they're like really soft. So I'm gonna have to let these cool, and then we'll try them later once they're cooled down. And I have a few more I'm gonna put in while these are chilling. So I will be checking in with you in a little while once they cool down, and I'll try them and we'll see if they're any good or if they're a disaster, which sometimes happens. But I'll check in with you in a little bit. All right, so I've eaten dinner and these have cooled down, so I'm gonna try it. We're gonna see how it is. I'll say they're not like horrible. It literally tastes like almost straight up peanut butter. They're very soft, I will say that. Like, they can bend pretty easy. But it is good. And it was an easy cookie to make, for that matter. 3 ingredients might be something to keep in my arsenal when I'm craving something sweet. But if you decide to make it, let me know. I'll type out the recipe again in the description box. But as always, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope everybody has a blessed day.